If you nail this, you're smarter than 70% of drivers.
Question 1. This sign warns you that a stop sign is ahead. A railroad crossing is ahead. A traffic signal is ahead. A pedestrian crosswalk is ahead. The correct answer is A. Traffic signal is ahead. Question 2. It is illegal for a person under 21 years of age to drive with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.08% or more, 0.05% or more, 0.01% or more, 0.10% or more. The correct answer is 0.01% or more. Question 3. This sign indicates that the road ahead narrows. A bridge is ahead. The right lane ends. A one-lane road begins. The correct answer is the road ahead narrows. Question 1. At an intersection with a crosswalk where there are no traffic signals, you must yield the right of way to vehicles that arrive first, pedestrians in the crosswalk, bicycles in the crosswalk, vehicles on your right. The correct answer is pedestrians in the crosswalk. Question 2. This sign warns you of a side road to the right, a dead-end street, a T intersection ahead, a roundabout ahead. The correct answer is A. T intersection ahead. Question 3. What is the first thing you should do if you need to change a flat tire? Loosen the lug nuts. Jack up the vehicle. Safely pull over to the side of the road. Remove the hubcap. The correct answer is safely pull over to the side of the road. Question 1. When parking uphill on a street with a curb, your front wheels should be turned towards the curb, kept straight, turned away from the curb. It does not matter. The correct answer is turned away from the curb. Question 2. This sign means no parking at any time. Parking allowed for 1 hour. Loading zone only. Handicap parking. The correct answer is no parking at any time. Question 3. You should allow more space when following a motorcycle because they are less stable and can stop quickly. They may swerve to avoid road hazards. They are harder to see than cars. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Question 1. This sign indicates that the right lane is ending. Traffic will be merging into your lane from another road. You must merge to the left. A new lane is starting. The correct answer is traffic will be merging into your lane from another road. Question 2. You must use your headlights when visibility is less than 500 feet, 1,000 feet, 2,000 feet, 1 mile. The correct answer is 1,000 feet. Question 3. This sign means wrong way, one way, do not enter, no turns. The correct answer is do not enter. Question 1. This sign warns of a winding road ahead, a slippery surface, a steep downgrade ahead, falling rocks. The correct answer is A, steep downgrade ahead. Question 2. You see a pedestrian with a white cane at the corner ready to cross the street. You should honk to let them know you are there. Stop and let them cross. Slow down and drive around them. Tell them when it is safe to cross. The correct answer is stop and let them cross. Question 3. A flashing yellow light at an intersection means stop and wait for a green light. The light is about to turn red. Slow down and proceed with caution. Yield to all traffic. The correct answer is slow down and proceed with caution. Question 1. This sign indicates the recommended speed for a curve or turn, a steep hill ahead, a low-flying aircraft area, a scenic viewpoint. The correct answer is the recommended speed for a curve or turn. Question 2. When you are being passed by another vehicle, you should speed up, move to the left, maintain your speed and lane position, brake suddenly. The correct answer is maintain your speed and lane position. Question 3. This sign means you must make a right turn. A sharp right turn is ahead. No right turn is allowed. The right lane ends. The correct answer is no right turn is allowed. Question 1. At a four-way stop, if two cars arrive at the same time, who has the right of way? The car on the left. The car on the right. The larger car. The car going straight. The correct answer is the car on the right. Question 2. This sign is found at a school crossing, hospital entrance, railroad crossing, bus stop. The correct answer is railroad crossing. Question 3. In California, using a handheld cell phone while driving is allowed if you are over 18. Allowed during daylight hours. Illegal, unless for emergency purposes. Legal if traffic is light. The correct answer is illegal, unless for emergency purposes.
Watch the next test on the channel. Goodbye.